Today we're gonna make pancakes. So let's start. This is an egg. Good job, we did it. Sugar. You see the bricks? Let's mix. Milk. You see it? So here's the warm water. Do you see it? Do you see the flour? So let's mix it. This is so hard to make. Baking powder and vanilla sugar. Vanilla flavor. So let's pour it in. Mix it. Now do you see? Okay, so let's clean up the butter.
Be careful not to burn your hands.
It's not ready. I have to be patient and wait. Do you know I like exercise patient? Means when you go to the convention, so you need to be patient. It's ready now. Okay guys, bye-bye. So here's the chocolate. We're done with the baking. Look, everything is all finished.